Welcome to Wizard.com. I'm maths teacher Aditi. We have this question here, which is the odd one out in this set. So, to find that out, let's try and look for common pattern. To do that, we'll have to write the alphabet in order. So, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. So the first member is HKMN. So HKM, and the pattern is two letters are left, then in next two letters one letter is left, and between next two letters 0 letters are left. Let's look for the next member. DGJM. DGJM. I moved it downward, so we have two letters left between every consecutive two letters here. Let's check next one. KNQT. So KNQT. Here also we see 222. GJMP. GJMP. Here also we see 2, 2 and 2. So the odd pattern is 2 letters, 1 letter and 0 letters. Therefore, odd member is G. Sorry, not G. It starts with H. So the odd member is H, K, M, N. So answer is option B.